Hello guy, welcome back to my channel YouTube Speaking News. Today I have a good news for share to everyone. 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition. Range Rover's been rolling out the special editions this year, the hubbub thought to be at least in part a last hurrah for the current generation SUV before the all-new model debuts sometime soon. Earlier this year, the Special Vehicle Operations Division did a number on the top-tier regular Range Rover with the help of SV Bespoke to create the SVAutobiography Dynamic Ultimate. SVO and SVB have now done the same with the top-tier sport trim to create the Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate. It has the distinction of being the first SV Bespoke model to offer solid glass flake paintwork, a treatment that infuses glass flake particles into a solid base color. The result, so SVB says, is an intense star-like sparkle. Of the three colors available only for the RR Sport SVR Ultimate, two of them will have people seeing stars: Maya Blue Gloss and Marl Gray Gloss. For those who prefer the void, the third exclusive color is Ligurian Black Satin. Every color gets contrasting Narvik black on the roof, side mirror caps, grille, fender vent, and tailgate finisher. In fact, all of the exterior brightwork has been dipped in black. Save for two accents on those fender vents and an SV Bespoke marker inset into the B-pillar that can only be seen when the front doors are open. The Range Rover lettering on the body colored, vented. Carbon fiber hood comes in black with Fuji white edging, and black brake calipers take shelter behind 22-inch forged alloy wheels. Every interior comes with lightweight performance seats, black anodized paddle shifters, and illuminated sill plates inscribed with Ultimate Edition. Customers can spec leather in their color of choice, yet, like a sommelier suggesting a Malbec to pair with the leg of lamb, the special ops folks recommend the ebony and cirrus interior. The Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition will debut at the Salon Privé on the grounds of Blenheim Palace next month. The Ultimate can be read as top of the line or last in line. When the next-gen Range Rover arrives, it's expected to do so without the 5.0-liter supercharged V8 and its 575 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque in the lineup. A powertrain deal between Jaguar Land Rover and BMW would insert BMW's 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 at the head of the fleet. The Ultimate Edition can be ordered now for $142,950 after destination. A $26,100 surcharge over the standard SVR. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for receiving the news that you see first. Goodbye, see you at the next video.